Hi, this is my personal opinion. I'm JM, and these certainly are my opinions. This is a gas detector in a fairly nice compact form. So the question is, does it work? Well, let's try it out. All right, so the first thing, of course, you have to do is you turn these things on. You have to wait for it to calibrate. All right, now that it's calibrated, we're going to turn on the stove. And it detected gas. So, it did its job. So, seems to do its job. Detected gas. Nice little compact form. Seems like a good idea. If it's something that could help you, the link's in the description. Check it out. It's also in my showcase. So, there you go. That's my opinion, and I hope you have a great day.